Interstate 70, Roachport. I've gone about 10 miles. I'm going to do about 20 more miles in camp. I guess they're going to be replacing this bridge. They're making a big deal about it on the news, on the radio. But anyway, I guess I made it through the rainy weather. It's going to gradually keep clearing today until it's sunny. And then the forecast only goes till Monday, but it's going to be dry, sunny, and cool. Can't beat it. I wish I'd have I'm hoping for like a nice long stretch of good weather. 2 weeks. 2 weeks from today, another 15 days, including today. I think I could get to Caruthersville. That would be so cool. I'm going to try to make it to Chester. Of course, we'll see what's going to happen. I'm 185 miles from the Mississippi River. I'll be 165 by the time I quit tonight. Every day, 30 miles, 40 miles eats up the miles. Anyway.